In the dawn light, a small team surveys a clearing and builds a lean shelter from fallen branches and thick vines. They learn to judge wind shifts, ground moisture, and sun paths to choose a spot that stays dry and warm. Next, they improvise signaling with mirrors and color patterns, turning simple tools into a classroom that travels with them. A mentor explains fire safety, while students practice safe friction, patience, and respect for the surrounding ecosystem. By dusk, they review what worked, what failed, and how education in nature can empower every learner to adapt.